Good day mga ka-lovers. In this video, I'm going to show you the purpose of egg candling. Candling is a method used to observe the growth and development of an embryo inside an egg, which uses a bright light source behind the egg to show details through the shell. I usually candled after 5 to 7 days of incubation. This will tell the breeder if the eggs are fertile or not. If the eggs are not fertile, the nest can be removed for a few days and then reintroduced so that the bird can start building again. One example guys, ang room dapat dark para ma-visualize yun na to ang infertile nga egg. Ano siya guys, oh. And then, the difference between fertile and infertile eggs is very simple. Kanang example guys, so, kana siya muna example sa infertile egg. Kanang isa, o kanang isa po, infertile sila kanang duha. Infertile eggs, this will be appear very clear when candled. It will be similar to a freshly laid egg. Hala ka guys! Ay, nabayot na gali. Sorry. Dili mag-minerve pa, girl. Let's continue. Fertile eggs. This egg will show you a map of red vein. And if you look closer, you can even see the heartbeat. There will be a huge difference between a fertile and infertile eggs. Nakulbaan ko guys, basi mga buwak ang itlog niya. Diyos ko. Moto example ganina guys. Nag-red. Look man uy. Muna yung papa. Ang kak na. Ang laki. Sige bye.